Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's me Raj. I'm doing today. Today we're going to create a fully functional calculator in Android Studio using the Kotlin language. So let's develop the fully functional calculator. So first of all, I have already opened the Android Studio and now I select the empty activity and click on next. Now, simply give the name of the project. That would be simple calculator. This is the name. Then what I'm gonna choose is uh, API 21 Lollipop Android 5.0. This is the one of the most widely used, and it will run 99.95% 9% of the device approximately. And just leave the build configuration language as a default that has recommended, and let's finish it. Okay. Now we have the fully now configuration is going on and it takes some more time to configure it. So we have to wait for a few more minutes. It will load it. We have to let it to assemble it. We have to wait for a few more minutes. So the configuration is going on and we have to still wait for a few more other minutes. So it will take initially it will take some minutes. So it's already being configured. Now we are going to run it, and even running the program it will take for a few more minutes to configure, review, sync it, and run the program. So we have to wait for a few more seconds. I guess a minute, not more than that. Yeah. Now it's already running, and we have already seen the result. Also, let me zoom it. Now we can see clearly that hello Android is the output over here. So it is a inbuilt configuration and output that has been shown. Now let's open the app folders, and here we have a different folders and files. That is Kotlin, REST, and all of these things. And inside the results also we have different files and folders. And now we have to work on the Kotlin plus Java inside also, that also inside the first file we have to open it. And first of all we have to create one file inside it. So we'll be creating it, but before that the main activity.kt is the file that we have run previously. Now we are going to create another file that is calculator.kt. For that we have to we don't have to write the .kt because it will keep itself while using it. So we have already created it. Now before doing anything inside the calculator.kt, I have to do certain other stuff inside the main activity. Let's say first of all hello to the hello Android and delete it completely. Also we have to delete the greetings, where we have to call other things, calculator things, whatever we will design in the calculator.kt. Okay, so let's move towards the calculator.kt. Here we'll perform all the activity, design and everything over here. So first of all let me call the compatible, and here now we have to wait for some times. And now I'm going to create we have already create a composable. Now create a function calculator. Inside it what we have to create is a modifier, pass the modifier, and just you can just tap it and you can get the modify. If you don't get that one, then you can just add the newest version of the Android Studio. Now let's go back to the main activity.kt and call the calculator that we have already created in the calculator.kt. And let's go back to the calculator.kt, and now what we have to do is now we have to create a box where inside it we are going to add the modifier. Modifier equals to modifier dot padding and the padding would be 8 dp, but later on we'll edit. Now I'm going to add a text that is let's say a calculator, a text equals to calculator, and let's run it. This is just for the test, and does this work or not. Okay, so let's just run it. I think there is something problem over here. Let me fix it. Give me a minute. Okay, I have done certain changes over here. Imported some of the dependencies, so now this is gonna work. So let's run it. So it's running. It's gonna take some more time. And here the calculator open mobile application, default mobile application set, and here we can see now a calculator that we have already assigned. So let's go back to the file calculator.kt, and now I'm going to remove that one calculator and add the over there. We are going to replace it with the something different, that is column, and inside the column that we are going to add the modifier. No, okay. For we want to put that in the extreme right hand side. So just adding a column over there, and for that what we have to do is horizontal. First of all, let's say add the horizontal alignment, and that would be alignment would be at the end. That means at the extreme right hand side of the mobile. And before that, we also have to add the modifier, and that is also already given here. We just have to edit it. So modifier equals to modifier. Just erase it and make it just fill max size. Okay, it's I'm doing a bit slowly, and because this is my first, I'm not doing this much, so what we have to do is fill max size. Now we have done the column. Now what we have to do is now we have to add the text over here. Text would be let's put something like 12 plus 12. I'm just giving example for now, so it's just I'm adding just 12 plus 12, and I will give style as well. For that we have to add the style, and style, that would be style equals to text style. So style equals to I'm sorry, I have entered something wrong. I just entered the tab, so it's gone wrong. So style equals to text style inside the braces, and just if you tab it, then you can get the full text over here. And text style. Now for the font size, that would be 30 dp around. Let's keep it okay, 30 dp. It's been 300. I'm sorry, I have to erase it. And now for the text align, and text align will be text align dot end. So now let's run the program. How this will be gonna go. So let me run the program for now. So before running the program, we are going to add some of the other stuff too. That would be max size. Max size would be that would be 5. So let me type that one, the max size. Okay, you can see that on the extreme left hand side, right hand side of the mobile, we can see 12 plus 12. Now what we have to do is just simply copy all the text, just the text, uh, and now just copy below the text again. This is for the output or the result of it. So 12 plus 12, that would be 24. And what we have to do is max line would be reduced to 2, and overflow we have to reduce, override the overflow and run it again. So let's see over there what would be the output. Okay, yeah, we can see their output 24, and the input would be 12 plus 12. Let's increase the size of the output and run it again. So yes, it's running, and yes, the output is